Convert 21 and 12 hundredths to a fraction in simplest form. Well, in order to write out 21 and 12 hundredths, we're going to write out 21 as the whole number that lives out in front. Okay, nothing crazy. 12 hundredths is going to be written as the fraction 12 hundredths. Now, can't do anything with 21, but if you look at 12 hundredths, you'll realize I can simplify this fraction. Those are both even numbers, so let's divide the numerator and the denominator both by 2. That gives us a fraction of 12 divided by 2 is 6, 100 divided by 2 is 50. So with 21 living in front, we end up with 21 and 6 fiftieths. Now you look at that 6 fiftieths and say, wait a minute, I could still simplify. Those are still both even numbers, so I could still divide the numerator and the denominator once again by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, 5 divided by 2 is 25, and that 21 remains out in front. So I can't simplify anymore. 21 and 12 tenths becomes 21 and 3 25ths.